Hi, this is Dr. Michael Cerami from Utah Sports and Wellness. Today I'm going to review the four type of office visits that I provide. We do a lot of other things here, but these are the visits that I will be interacting with you on. So there's basically four types, and I'll go over those now. And the idea with this video is to give you an idea when you call in, if you're a regular patient, figuring out what you need, what's the most effective visit for the problem. So these are the types of visits and different types for different problems. So we just want to be clear. Some things will work, some things we won't work, and I want to make sure I have enough time within that visit to get as much done as possible. So the better that you guys know, the better that it'll help both of us. Okay, the initial exam visit, that takes about 50 to 60 minutes total. That comprises of history taking, review the complaints, what's going on, maybe the major problem and some other problems underneath of that, discuss what the patient goals are, do a physical exam, do a variety of unique testing that we evaluate from, check the biomechanics, evaluate the muscle function in the area of complaint, check the range of motion, check some neurological pieces. That gives us a clear idea about maybe what the main problem is that we'll address, and then we also have some time left over for treatment in there. So that's the first visit. That's for a new patient or a patient being reactivated. Reactivated patients mean that if you've been out of the practice for 3 or more years, we have to do, legally, we have to do a new exam, which covers this information. So we get a really good idea of what's going on there. That's a complete office visit and evaluation. Once we know that, we can move into the other categories. So these other 3 categories are for established patients. This category here is the AMIT muscle activation visit. That's a 30-minute visit, 30 minutes. And that's the evaluation and correction of usually about 3 muscles. I can usually fix 1 muscle every 10 minutes. Sometimes I can squeeze 4 in. So if on your examination where we've determined which muscles are a problem, what I'll do is have the patient schedule a 30-minute visits to fix 3 of those muscles. So that will retest the muscle and we'll make sure that it's not working. We'll determine that from a prior exam, but we'll retest it on that visit, and then we'll fix it and then post-test or evaluate the muscle to make sure that we got it. So those visits are 30 minutes long. Once the initial complaints are handled with the patient, they usually fall in one of these 2 categories. This is a regular office visit. This is 15 minutes long. We can do a lot in 15 minutes. That's a biomechanical evaluation, chiropractic spinal and extremity adjustment, soft tissue work as needed. We can also fix 1 muscle in that visit if we need to. So if it's just 1 muscle that's outlying, we can get that done in that visit and also get the adjustment in. The main thing here with this visit, that it is a problem-solving visit. It gives me enough time to evaluate. So if the patient calls and said, I had to fall off my mountain bike, we need a 15-minute visit to check things and evaluate and leave time for treatment. Usually 5 minutes to evaluate and 10 minutes for treatment. The last type of visit is our maintenance visit. Now, the reason that we provide this is because I really see a lot of value in long-term maintenance care. We can avoid you having additional problems, and these are very easy visits. They're 5 to 10 minutes long. I've been getting chiropractic maintenance care for 48 years. I see this tremendous value of keeping the brain and body communicated. So this is your basic chiropractic visit. This is a spinal evaluation adjustment. It's a tune-up to stay well. The main thing I want people to know about this visit, it's not a problem-solving visit. We don't have enough time for this visit to problem solve. I already know what I need to do. I have an idea. We'll do some quick checks and we'll make some corrections in that aspect. So this is a problem-solving visit. This is a not. This is sort of just check the air in the tires, clean the windshield, do a couple other things and send you on your way just to make sure things are staying well. This one is digging a little bit deeper, and this one is digging deep and fixing muscles and a variety of other things. So when you call in for a visit, just look at these options. If you're a new patient, just realize here's where we're going. We start here, then we fix muscles, then we move into these categories. If there's been other problems, there's been an injury or stuff, we'll set up a 30-minute visit to reevaluate what the injury situation has caused, and we'll fix some problems there too. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4, and we hope that's helpful. Gives you a clear idea of what you're getting when you call in, and it allows us to be most efficacious with our time. Thank you, I appreciate it.